Ever wondered what the difference is between moons, planets, and stars? Well, you're about to find out. Let's start with moons. Moons are natural satellites, orbiting planets or dwarf planets. They're smaller than the bodies they orbit and they don't emit light of their own. Some famous examples include our very own moon and Jupiter's Galilean moons. Moving on to planets, these are celestial bodies orbiting a star like our Earth orbits the Sun. They're larger than moons and don't emit light either. They're spherical and have cleared their orbit of other debris. The 8 planets of our solar system are textbook examples. Finally, stars. Stars are gigantic luminous spheres of plasma, held together by their own gravity. They generate light and heat through nuclear fusion in their cores. Our Sun is the most familiar star to us. So, while they all float in the vast universe, moons, planets, and stars are distinct entities with unique characteristics. Now let's delve deeper and compare moons and planets. These celestial bodies, though they share the same cosmic neighborhood, are quite different. Moons, for instance, are natural satellites that orbit planets. They're like cosmic hitchhikers, always tagging along for the ride. Planets, on the other hand, are the larger bodies around which moons orbit. They're like the big brothers in this cosmic family, often with several moons in their gravitational grip. But don't be fooled, size isn't everything. Moons can be fascinating in their own right, boasting unique features and phenomena. One striking similarity between moons and planets is their shared journey around a star. Both are bound by the gravitational pull of their parent star, tracing a predictable rhythmic dance in the cosmos. In essence, moons are like the trusty sidekicks to the superhero planets, always in their orbit. Planets and stars, though often confused, are vastly different. Let's delve into the cosmos and tease apart these celestial bodies. Firstly, their light production is fundamentally different. Stars, like our Sun, are self-illuminating. They generate their own light and heat through a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing energy in the process. Planets, on the other hand, do not have their own light. They merely reflect the light they receive from their parent star. Size is another distinguishing factor. Stars are colossal, often dwarfing the planets that orbit them. Let's consider our own solar system. The Sun makes up a staggering 99.86% of the total mass. Furthermore, stars are the fundamental building blocks of galaxies, hosting a variety of planets and other celestial bodies within their gravitational pull. While planets might be the bodies we're most familiar with, stars are the true powerhouses of the universe. So what about stars and moons? How do they compare? Well, there's quite a contrast between the two. Let's delve into it. Stars and moons, although they both grace our night sky, are fundamentally different. Stars, including our Sun, are colossal balls of gas held together by their own gravity. They generate heat and light through nuclear fusion, a process where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. On the other hand, moons, like our very own lunar companion, do not produce their own light or heat. Instead, they reflect the light from the star of their home planetary system. So when you see the moon shining brightly, remember, it's just borrowing some starlight. Size-wise, stars are significantly larger than moons. To put it into perspective, our Sun is about 400 times larger than our moon. So while our moons may seem to light up our night sky, the credit truly belongs to the stars. Moons may light up our night sky, but it's all thanks to the stars. So we've journeyed through the universe comparing moons, planets, and stars. Let's take a moment to recap what sets these celestial bodies apart and what ties them together. Moons, those loyal companions, orbit planets and are generally smaller. They don't produce their own light, but reflect the light from their parent planet and the Sun. Planets, on the other hand, are independent travelers orbiting stars. They too don't produce light, but reflect the light of their parent star. Stars are the real showstoppers, the powerhouses of the universe. They're much larger than planets or moons and produce their own light through nuclear fusion. Yet, despite their differences, moons, planets, and stars are all tied together by gravity, forming a cosmic ballet that's been going on for billions of years. While they all have their place in the cosmos, each moon, planet, and star is a unique and vital part of our universe.